crime is not resting on these streets tonight. We are not either. Word on the street is that Captain Tourette's is out and about again. We all know what happened last time he was out and about. Let's not let it happen again, okay? You hear what I'm saying? Okay. Also, I want a moment of silence for Mr. Invulnerable. He's a good man. Okay? Actually, wait. Assignments. Axeman. Runaway man. I want you Sector A. Okay? Temp, pun issuer. I want you Sector B today, okay?
We'll be there.
Dr. Drip, Miss Nomer, and myself. We're gonna take Sector 6 as the biggest. Let's get out there and get it, people. They call me the Brick. I'm the leader of this group. I'm just the pretty one. This one here, it does all the work. After all, who could carry this? Runaway man?
My super speed is activated by fear, so when the adrenaline is pumping, I can run faster than the speed of sound. Oh, never mind that. My tailor made a mistake. I'm not runaway train, I'm runaway man. Who would be runaway train?
Covered in chocolate, and she's...
Remember when emo girl became apathy girl?
Nobody cared. Really blew him away.
I just got here tonight, and I guess I'm replacing somebody. And the skills I'm hoping to bring to the group are like Word and Excel and that kind of thing.
So I've got the power to be able to introduce people from off the top. Shake it out.
Hey, you're handsome.
That's what I'm about.
You know, you remind me of a guy who used to be in the group several years ago. Exploding Pants Man.
As Dr. Drip, I moisten the brow of evildoers everywhere. Why did I get into this line of work? Well, it was for the women, actually. You know, play doctor, catch the drip. But apparently women don't like doctors much.
Miss Nomer, I'm distracted. I mean, I'm the distraction. And if you were a fish out of water, what animal would you be? My first case, Thiefy the Clown and the Dangerous Mime.
Oh, you're mine now.
Go, Doctor.
Oh,
Go, Doctor.
you like it in the face, don't you? Don't you?
I love you. I love you.
I was forced into it by my parents. Double entendre and the innuendo lady. My mom and dad. Just because I have this power to hurt people with my words, I mean my puns, I have to do this superhero thing. When did I start? That was when I was dealing with Ku Klux Man. Gaga! 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 You got a good one in there, but the first two missed. You're drunk. You're 3 seats to the wind. You can't cheat death this time. I'm gonna kick the holy shit out of you. What? You gonna use your whitey tiger cracker dragon technique on me? We found this recorder at a crime scene. Gonna play it now. That's definitely Captain Tourette's. Take this back to the main base. I'm gonna look around here for some more clues.
Okay.
How is he always one step ahead of us?
He has longer legs.
Now, I think there's got to be a rat in this group. A rat like you.
My tailor made a mistake.
But you look like you're wearing cheese.
Alright then, here's the real gig. You see, I'm not actually a super at all. I just do this because I think I need to... I'm sorry, could we cut?
We know he ain't got nothing. We just do it for his mom. Where is Captain Tourette's? And what is he doing?
I didn't know he was so small.
Guys, there's just been a call. He's been seen down at the bank.
Let's get going.
You fell for my trap! You some chocolate You're my llama! You're the meat biscuits! You rats! And you!
You're the mole. What? You're short, you're furry, and you dress like a young Republican.
What are you talking about? I've been busting my butt all night.
Look at you!
I've worked really hard for you. I can't help it if I'm not a hero.
Let this be a message to you kids. Crime doesn't pay. Yeah.
Hey, I was afraid we'll get that fixed, you know. I mean, I know a better place.
Help! Help!
Just, what's going on?
Help!
What's going on over there? What?
I was just walking by and he knocked me out and he took off all my clothes and for some reason left all of his clothes in here.
Clever bastard.
Uh-huh.
There are dark hearts in this world. There are evil, mean people. But there is hope. There is a shining light in that darkness. There are those that will rise to the challenge and stand up for the innocent. They are the Super